Hi, and welcome to a Whimsy Stamps product reveal. We are sharing the What the Cluck 4x6 clear stamp set and their corresponding outline dies. Now, this stamp set should come with a little bit of a parental advisory warning. It is so cute. It has a fun pun using the word cluck and some really funny chicken images. The four large images have their own outline die. You can either bend them apart or use some wire cutters to separate those out. I have put them into my MISTI because this set comes with so many stamps, and I use some black ink so you can see them all. I love these sentiments. You can create hilarious sayings like "what the cluck," "mother clucker," "don't give a flying cluck." There's so many different things that you can do, and these four images are just too funny. So I went ahead and die cut these four out. The first chicken is our very tired, skinny chicken, and she measures 1 3/8 by 2 1/4. Our chicken popping out some eggs measures 2 1/4 by 2 3/8. The chicken with the side eye is 2 1/4 by 1 3/8, and our final chicken is 2 by 2 1/8. Here is a card I used using my favorite chicken with her little side eyes and the sentiment "what the cluck," and I use a lot of brand new items that are also released today from Whimsy Stamps. You can find the link down below to all of the new items and come back later on the Whimsy Stamps channel to see how I made this card. Head over to our Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook group for more inspiration with this brand new release. Have a great day!